Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate your dream villa using AI. It can also be a plugin to your SketchUp if you download it, but I'm just going to enter a prompt here and see what it gives. So here is where you're going to paste your prompt. This is the positive prompt. You can also add in a negative prompt here. You can select whichever one you want. I think I'm going to do with the physical model of it. And then you can also do the image atmosphere here, spring, summer, autumn, winter. Let's do an autumn time. Let's do golden hour, weather, sunny, architectural. You can select whichever one you want here. Let's do a forest. And then you can do landscape elements, master designs. Let's do, modern landscape. Let's do like, should we do like a creek? Yeah, let's do that. And then master design. Okay, I don't know these artists, no offense. Then just press confirm. And it's going to generate the picture for you. Then you're going to find the pictures here, or you can upload your own inspo and copy and start. And then you're going to select create. Okay, I don't have the, like, I don't know, coins for that, so I can do it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.